Do not skip over this. Do not fast forward. Go to GOLI.com and purchase some gummies. That's right, GOLI.com. Use my promo code Ashley, one and only. Get you some ashwagandhas. Wait, did I say that right? It doesn't matter. Get you this one. It helps improve sexual function. Yes, sexual function. Get you the Cum Bites. Now use my promo code at checkout. Don't forget, the link in my promo code is in the description box below. So go check that out. All right, I'm done. Go ahead and enjoy the rest of the video. I was just trying to save y'all little coins. GOLI Gummies. GOLI.com. Ashley, one and only. Promo code. All right, I'm done. what you think. Drop down in the comments below and let me know if you like my hair. And if you new here, I'm Ashley, and thanks for clicking on my video. If you're not new, welcome back. In today's video, you've seen that I was using this mousse by Nurture. They are a Black-owned company, I believe, and I will definitely leave their Instagram as well as their website in the description box below so you can go over there and check them out. This product did give a soft hold, which I'm more of a person that likes more of a firm hold. Off camera, I did shampoo and condition my hair. I rinsed out the conditioner, and no, I did not use any leave-in conditioner. I want to use this product alone as one styler. Also, you may notice that I did not use any oils to take down the twist. So if you see any frizz in my hair, maybe that's the reason why. I don't know. I'm no
professional or licensed cosmetologist,
so don't hold that to me. However, the product, I definitely like the product. I will be using it again for a more softer hold. Now, the actual mousse itself, it was not slimy like some, or it wasn't watered down like some out there.
Yeah, I know what I'm talking about.
However, it gave a real good consistency of a mousse feeling or very foamy feeling. This company also has another product, which is their water locking gel. I also have a video on that as well on my channel, and I'm definitely linking it up at the top right hand corner so you can go check it out. As well, I will be linking those videos in the description box below, so you can definitely check out those videos about their other product that I use on my hair. So overall, I definitely like the product. I would definitely recommend this product to someone that wants a soft hold. But if you're looking for a more firm hold, you might want to go with their water locking gel. But if you're looking for a softer hold, definitely go with their mousse. And I still have a lot left. I don't know if you can see the extra, so yeah, I still have a lot left. Now, if you want to see me do any other styles, like for example, a wash and go, or braid out, or a twist out, drop down in the comments below and let me know if you want to see me use this product on other styles. If you are new here and you made it to the end of this video, why are you not subscribed to my channel? I don't know, it's free, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload videos. As well, hit the like button if you like this video. If you have any questions or want to just leave comments, or you just want to talk, chit chat, drop down in the description box below and let's talk. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.